집에 가요. 안나 씨는 학교에 가요? 아니요. 마트에 가요. 마트에 가요. 뭘 사요? 가방하고 구두를 사요. 교실에 누가 있어요? 선생님하고 안나 씨가 있어요. 오케이. 뭘 사요? 우리 집에 가방하고 구두를 사요. 구두는 뭐예요? 구두는 뭐예요? Shoes. What? Shoes. 구두? I thought it was 신발. 안녕. We are going to Korean class. 한국어 수업이 한국어 수업이 있을 거예요. 하고 있어요. I'm like discombobulated. I tell my brother all the time, like, make sure you never drive like me discombobulated. You know, take a breath and like that. And then look at me, freaking driving all discombobulated. Korean class actually started 2 weeks ago. Ask me if I have been. Right, I haven't. We're going to class today. My outfit is really simple. It's like what I normally always wear. I was rushing, so I only did one hand with my nails. I only did one, so that's unfortunate. I don't have anything to say. I haven't filmed in a while. Unfortunately, I had a passing in my family. My grandpa passed away, and I didn't feel like filming. I really didn't. Oh yeah, I'm still jobless. I'm still unemployed. Social media has been bothering me to no end lately. So I got a phone, a flip phone. I got it to help me get off of social media. I was doom scrolling. I was doom scrolling so bad. So I have been just looking at people make stupid decisions, say stupid things, and it has frustrated me to no end. I have such an addiction to TikTok. It's not even funny. You know, my family or whoever needs to get in contact with me, they contact me through this. I bedazzled it. She's adorable. I thought I really wanted to turn my iPhone off and just use like Wi-Fi just to post things whenever I, you know, wanted to post, and then have this be like my main phone because no one has his phone number. So yeah, that was my thought, but I don't know.
How about yesterday?
어제
어제 숙제 있었어요. 했어요? Did you do your homework? 네, 했어요? 왜 안 했어요?
수지 씨는 new.
네, 에너지 트라이?
네. 유진 씨는 화장품하고 가방을 사요.
네, 잘하셨어요. 잘했어요. 리필할 백화점.
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 백화점에 가요.
백화점에 가요.
백화점에 가요.
백화점에 가요.
화장품.
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 화장품하고 가방을 사요.
화장품하고 가방을 사요.
네, 잘하셨어요. 뭐를 사요? 적도 있잖아요. 숟가락하고 칼. 읽어볼까요? Let's read. This one. 타이틀 시작.
사과 다섯 개. 다섯 개 주세요.
사과 주세요. So silent Korean conversation. This one. 으세요 폼이에요. We will learn about this one next week. 으세요. I use this a lot. 보세요. 자, 여기 뭐가 있어요? 라면이에요. 자, 과자는요? 얼마예요?
1,000.
more.
10, 100, 1,000, 3,000, 3,991, 71,000, 71,000. 안녕. He does not need to be a doctor. I look a mess. Don't worry about it. I finally have conceded to the truth that my diet just has to be really different and sometimes strict. We're making gluten-free bread. Watch me as I make bread.
사람이 말을 하는데 저렇게 이성입니다.
Oh my gosh. I have to find a new recipe for my bread because I had a recipe, but then I was looking at the comments and everyone's like, this is effing disgusting. And I'm like, great. Okay, cool. They're so cute.
출근했니?
밤샜냐?
그럼 이왕 해주는 거 이거 조금도 같이 따주세요. 네? 아 또잉. 방금 들은 거는 삭제 요망.
I have an update. Oh, I'm washing my hair. My bread is done. Oh no, I'm sad. She's dense, but let's not fear. You never know. Sometimes I'm just doing the middle.
Something went wrong.
Oh no. Oh no. First of all, it's hot. It's all get out. Hello, you can't see it. Okay, cool. Do you see it? It doesn't look like that bad, but I do feel like maybe I should put it in the oven. She's like really dense in the middle. Oh my gosh, hello. Time has progressed. Okay, I'm watching Ultra Romantic 3. It's so sad. I'm like in the business of not knowing how to style my hair. If my room is dirty behind me, we ignore that. Okay. 2 of the nurses are stuck in a collapsed building and I'm not okay. I forgot just how like emotionally draining, triggering K-dramas are. The acting in K-dramas is like top tier. Aww, they're so cute. I want to cry. Oh yeah, I am on my 3rd try of gluten-free bread. Why is gluten-free bread so challenging to make? I came in very naive. Gluten-free bread is really hard, so I did 2 batches with 2 different recipes. The first one was my own, and the second one was another recipe, and then there's a 3rd recipe that I want to try where like her bread, it looks like perfection. I think I might use her bread as like a staple for all the bread recipes I want to make, but I have to make my own flour. My body feels like this is the next day. Well, you probably can't tell. Yes, my outfit is different, but the vibes are still the same. I got up and started making my bread. It's so hard and I don't understand like why. I didn't know gluten was that important. My bread, it came out better. Like there's progress happening here, but because I'm used to being good at a lot of things the first time after the first try, gluten is like kind of like kicking my butt a little bit, but we're fine. I love it. That's so cute. 해가 하고 몸이 아파요. 커피를 많이 마셔서 물이 마셔야 돼요? Did she get my new phone? I feel like I showed you like when I was on my way to class. I'm so tired of paying for things I don't actually like need. Apple Music, and I finally started like making like my CDs and stuff for it. I made all of these CDs. I put all the music on my iPod so I can cancel like my Apple Music and stuff like that.
내가 찾아놓은 곳으로 가죠.
Hello, I want to show you my outfit. It's really cute. The Anna staple. 귀엽죠? I love it. 권 있어요.
우리 교실에 뭐가 몇 개 있어요? 자, 같이 세워볼까요? Let's count together. 시작.
12명.
그렇죠. 12명 있어요. 오케이. 몇 개 있어요?
12?
해보세요.
12개 있어요?
그렇죠. 12개.
12개.
그렇죠. 12개 있어요. 책상이 12개 있어요. 또 뭐가 있어요? 창문이 있어요. 창문이 몇 개 있어요?
창문이? 뭐예요?
몰라요?
몰라요.
아, 창문이 뭔지 몰라요? 창문 is a window. 없어요. 이제 신발, 양말 이런 거는요? What is the noun count of them? 책은요? 책은 몇 권 있어요?
많이예요.
많이 있어요. 나이가 어떻게 되세요? 되세요 means 되다예요. 나디아 씨, 몇 살이에요?
저는 40살이요.
40살이에요. 에나 씨,
저는 30살이에요.
30살이에요. 네, 좋아요.
하나씩 여기 앉으세요.
맞아요. 잘하셨어요. 앉으세요.
앉으세요. 네, 고마워요.
앉아예요. 앉아. 앉으세요. 앉으세요. 이 테이블 어디 있어요?
안녕. 수업이 끝났어요. 수업이 끝나고 그래서 저는 지금 집에 가고 있어요. 오늘 수업이 너무 좋아요. 지금은 많이 잘 있어서 그래서 저는 기다려. 이 수업이 저는 말이 조금 맞나요? 네. I don't know if I don't know if that sentence was correct, but I'm trying to say like today I spoke a little bit more in class, which is good. We love that. Cause like normally I was telling my brother, one thing I hate, like with a passion, I don't like snobby language kids, and I try my hardest to not be a snobby language kid because a lot of the languages that I take, I know them already, or I know them like enough to like, you know, speak pretty well, like decent at least. And so in this class, I would say I speak pretty well. I don't want to be like annoying, you know, so I'm like quiet, but then I'm like, I can't learn, like I get it and I won't be annoying, but I also can't learn or practice my speaking if I don't like speak in class or just like use Korean even if no one else is using Korean. So I did that more today, which I liked. I felt good doing it. Some guy, he I guess was trying, a student, he wanted to teach all of us how to use like numbers, I don't know. So he like got up and he was like doing stuff, and me and the girls I was sitting with, we were looking like he was like, you guys in the back, you guys look confused. Are you guys confused? And I was like, and I like looked up when the girls was looking at me, and I was like, oh 몰라요. And I was looking at my teacher, I was like, 몰라요. Like I don't understand like what he's doing. Anyways, I did good in class today. I did really good. I feel good about like speaking or like, you know, getting back into learning Korean. Yeah, I don't have anything else to say.